Hey everybody, today we're demonstrating our FDCT38 crimping tool for compression lugs and ring tongue terminals. This tool has a crimping range of 8 through 2 gauge. We're zoomed out so you can see the full length of this tool. At over 2 feet, this provides the optimal amount of leverage needed for crimping larger lugs and terminals. As we zoom in, you will notice the handle operates the crimping plate in a fluid back and forth movement. The next thing you'll notice is the wire gauge wheel selector. This is secured firmly in place with a thumb screw knob. To select the appropriate gauge, simply turn the screw knob counterclockwise to loosen it, and that will release the wheel selector. Each crimping slot is numbered to show the corresponding wire gauge listed in square millimeters, as you see here. Simply align the crimp plate in the middle of the selected crimping slot and tighten the screw knob to begin crimping, as we will do in one moment. Now you're ready to crimp. We will begin some demonstrations with our 8 gauge ring tongue terminals, part number FGNB 8-6, as well as some 2 gauge compression lugs, part number SCH3510. I'm picking up those ring tongue terminals now for part 1 of this crimping demonstration. These must be aligned with the tongue facing upwards, with the rounded end nestled into the channel of the crimping wheel. This will prevent the flag from bending during crimping. Insert the terminal and wire and squeeze the tool closed. This will give you the optimal crimping indentation, as you see here. And then we'll show you the back so you can have an idea of the reverse side with a slight indentation. Next up, we have some 2 gauge compression lugs. We were just working with 8 gauge, so now we have to adjust the wheel to the corresponding size before we begin. Same process as before. Unscrew the tightening knob and then move the wheel selector to the appropriate slot. Perfect. Okay, so with your compression lug and wire in hand, you want to load that inside and crimp just as before to achieve solid and accurate crimps. These compression lugs can be crimped with the indentation on the top or the bottom, depending on your application. As we zoom in here, you'll see. Perfect crimp. Thanks for watching our video. Please be sure to click subscribe for more demonstrations and product releases, and visit ferrulesdirect.com to order a tool today.